Hey everybody, welcome back to my video. I am Eric McGrew with Eric's Tree Service here in Montrose, Colorado, and today we are going to be talking about this Echo blower right here and why I don't think you should buy it. So this is the PB2520. If you can see this box here behind me, it says the professional's choice. That is a lie. I am a professional and this is definitely not my choice. And let me explain why. So this model blower is just a handheld blower and it's only like $15 cheaper than the, I don't remember what the letter sequence is, but like the SH56 or whatever, SC56, whatever it is by Stihl. And for $15 less, you get a lot less quality. I can say that without a doubt. I've already seen it. So the biggest complaint I have about this Echo is that this stupid piece right here will not stay on the blower. I used this one time and it lasted me, I did like 15 minutes of blowing and this thing fell off 7 times in 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm taking it back. It's just not worth the hassle, especially when I'm trying to get a job done and I'm running around. I don't want to be fighting with this stupid thing, and it's very, very, very frustrating. So for an extra 20 bucks or $25, I'll go pick up a Stihl of the same style, or I might just go and get their 350 backpack blower model because I don't need a huge blower by any means. And the overall construction of this machine is very different than the Stihl as well. The plastic on this is a very light duty plastic. Everything, the blower tubes all the way through to the motor housing and everything, yes, it's fairly lightweight, but it's just not a really good quality machine in my opinion, without a doubt. Sorry, I hit the wrong button on my gimbal. And so, yes, it's 70 dB. Most of them are these days, but it's also two-stroke, which is, you know, good or bad depending. I like two-stroke because I have all my mixed gas already made for my saws, and then I just use it in that and it makes it easy and it runs and it doesn't. But a lot of people like the 4-stroke, so that's something to consider. But the overall construction of this thing is just weak. It starts well. It starts very, very consistently, and it cranked. I mean, I put gas in it out of the box. I primed it, and then I turned it on, and it started, I mean, right away. So that's not an issue. But everything else with this, in my opinion, pretty much an issue. The blower tube is the worst issue of it all, but I just don't see this thing lasting for $150 from Home Depot. So I am going to take it back, and I am probably going to go pick up a Stihl. So I don't know if this helps you guys out, because most of you probably wouldn't have even thought of buying this anyway, but if you're thinking of it for groundsmen or whatever, yeah, you're going to save a few bucks, but seriously, just go get the Stihl and forget about this one, or a Husky or whatever. I've heard the Huskies are good too. So don't mess with this one for the $15 or $25 or whatever it is you save. In my opinion, not worth it. So hope that helps you guys out. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check the description for affiliate links through Amazon. If you buy through those links, it helps pay me a very small percentage of what you buy, and that helps keep the channel running. Also, don't forget to check out my website, ericmcgrew.blogspot.com, and you can look on there for videos and podcasts from Elevated Office that I'm doing that are listed there, as well as you can look at the Arborist Tree Climbing store page, and it has a list of all the equipment that I'm recommending and currently using. So hope that helps you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.